Hello, as I mentioned before, today we are going to work in giving advice and suggestions. Remember? Consejos y sugerencias. For this, we use the modal verb should and in the negative form should not. Okay? The modal verbs in general have some rules. These are three. The first, modal verbs work with a principal verb in infinitive form. It means in the original way of the verb. The second rule, modal verbs never use es or es with the third person. And the third rule, all of them don't use auxiliaries in negative or interrogative form, as we use in present simple or in past do or did. Okay, now we are going to use some examples from the song to understand better the structure, okay? In the affirmative form, as you can see, you should love me. We find the subject, the modal verb should, the verb in infinitive form, love, and the complement, okay? In the negative way, she shouldn't kiss a friend. We find subject in third person, as you see, she, shouldn't, or could be should not, verb in the infinitive form, and finally, the complement. Okay? And in the interrogative form, should you know when a friend loves you? We find should first, because in the interrogative form, we used the modal verb at the beginning, as you see, plus subject, plus the verb in the infinitive form, remember, plus the complement, okay? And obviously, at the end, the question mark. Please don't forget, because if you don't have the question mark, it isn't a question, okay? Okay, now we should practice with more examples, okay? Here you have some sentences in affirmative, interrogative, and negative form. And in bold, in another color, as you can see, is the modal verb should, or shouldn't, or should not. It is to identify the place that this modal verb takes into the sentences, okay? As you can see, in the affirmative form, you should eat vegetables. Should is after the subject, okay? In the negative form, also, should not is after the subject, as you see. You should not drink Coca-Cola, because it's so bad, okay? Now, a question. Should he do his homework? Pay attention to this, because should is at the beginning, as I mentioned, and at the end of the sentence you have the question mark. This is very important, okay? Now, another example of affirmative way. She should study for the final exam. We shouldn't buy fast food, okay? Better vegetables than fast food. Remember this recommendation or suggestion for you. And finally, a question. Should they watch so movie? And question mark. Remember these rules to use the modal verb should, okay, to give advice or suggestions, okay? Thanks for watching and bye-bye.